Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bedizan Foods. Today we are going to make very clean, healthy, keto-friendly, gluten-free, low on carbs recipe which is called cauliflower fried rice. So let's first start with our ingredients. Cauliflower rice ये keto friendly है plus it is completely gluten free, so whosoever has gluten allergy they can have this rice, and people who are on diet and they want to replace the brown rice because sometimes it doesn't taste nice, some people they don't accept it, so they can go with the cauliflower fried rice. It's completely keto friendly. तो हमारे सबसे पहले ये है cauliflower जो कि मैंने पहले से ही ग्रेट करके रख दी है, तो आप देख सकते हैं इसका टेक्सचर इस तरह का है. So I have just put the cauliflower in boiling water for like approximately 2 to 3 minutes just to get rid of any chemicals or pesticides, right? और उसके बाद मैंने इसको फ्रिज में 4 डिग्री पे 1 घंटा रख दिया था. तो ये आप देख सकते हैं हमारा कॉलीफ्लावर अब इस तरह से हो गया है. नेक्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट जो हम यूज़ करेंगे इसमें वो होगा हमारे पास अनियंस. ये हमने रेड अनियन यूज़ किया है, इसको भी मैंने अच्छे तरह से चॉप कर दिया है एज यू कैन सी. उसके बाद हमारे पास है कैरेट्स. यहाँ पर मैंने ऑरेंज कैरेट ली है, इसको भी अच्छे से चॉप कर दिया है. मैंने बेल पेपर और जिसको हम कैप्सिकम भी बोलते हैं, ग्रीन कैप्सिकम ली है, ये भी अच्छे तरह से चॉप है, फाइनली चॉप है. यहाँ पर एक और इंग्रेडिएंट जो मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ इसमें वो हमारे पास ब्राउन मशरूम्स. दे आर वेरी वेरी हेल्थी और न्यूट्रिशियस रिच. तो इन ब्राउन मशरूम्स को मैंने क्या किया है, सिंस यू गाइज ऑल नो कि हम मशरूम्स में बहुत ज़्यादा पानी रहता है, सो इसके मॉइस्चर को रिलीज़ करने के लिए मैंने इनको सबसे पहले पैन फ्राई किया है. तो दिस इज़ पैन फ्राइड मशरूम्स. प्लस इसके साथ साथ मैं ये पूरे के पूरे राइस बनाने वाली हूँ ऑर्गेनिक कोकोनट मिल्क में. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज़ व्हाट आई गॉट फॉर, विच इज़ रियल थाई ऑर्गेनिक कोकोनट मिल्क. And why I chose this coconut milk? You can buy any coconut milk in the market, but the best part of this milk is that कि if you see at the ingredients, okay, if you can see the ingredients, you can see it is completely organic coconut milk, plus it has extract of coconut 85% and water only. So you can see there is no preservatives added, there is no chemical, no harsh chemicals for the body that you probably find in most of the canned food, and even like if you buy something from the grocery stores you can see a lot of preservatives and chemicals, additives added in the various foods. So please guys don't go for that, they are very very bad for your health. That's why I choose this brand, which is organic coconut milk. It doesn't have any preservatives at all, plus no added sugar, so it will make your entire recipe very 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 low carb. नेक्स्ट हम अब चलते हैं कुछ स्पाइसेस पे जो कि हम ऐड करने वाले हैं. तो सॉल्ट, और सॉल्ट भी हम जो यूज़ कर रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ रिफाइंड और bleached salt, because it is full of chemicals and it spikes your blood pressures, because nowadays almost one person in your family you is suffering from high blood pressure. And what happens if you intake any kind of bleached salt, it spikes your blood pressure because it has huge amount of sodium. So here we are using a pink salt or Himalayan salt, which is as you can see in this salt you will find it gets crystallizes very quickly. It won't be like very fine granulated salt. This is very healthy for your body. और इसमें हम डालेंगे रेड चिली. You can either go for flakes or semi crushed red chilies. ये हमारे पास है coriander powder, which is also completely crushed. Then turmeric, which is very good immunity booster nowadays and we all need it, so let's go for turmeric in this recipe. Black pepper, which actually if goes with the turmeric, it enhances the taste of the entire recipe. Here we have a little bit of we don't get lime very easily, but this is a lemon zest. So lemon is very important in the recipes to enhance the flavor. After we finish making it, it's mostly used for garnishing. Then we have also chopped or finely chopped ginger. Also I'm adding some mixed herbs just to enhance the flavor for the recipe. So I have taken this a mixture. It has oregano, it has rosemary and basils. So this I'm gonna add. Okay, so here I'm going to add little bit of salt, black pepper and mixed herbs in my cauliflower and give it a really good mix. Okay, so abhi we will take a pan, or you can take any cooking oil, and I'm going to do the pan fry my brown mushrooms. So हम pan को थोड़ा सा हल्का गर्म होने देंगे, just on medium flame. And now we are gonna add our brown mushrooms on the top of the pan. So just make sure the flame is always on medium, because we don't want to burn our mushrooms. We just want to dry them out, just to get rid of the water content inside. And once it's ready, you can see the color change in your mushrooms. They look dry, very golden brown in color. Okay, so in a separate pan, I am going to take 2 tablespoons of any vegetable oil, and let's add our red onions into it. We are going to saute our red onions until they get a little golden brownish in color. As you can see, the color change for the onions. Okay, so now let's add our first vegetable to our onions, which is bell pepper or green capsicum. Our second vegetable that we want to add in here is orange carrots. Now we will saute these both vegetables along with onions just for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to make our vegetables mushy. As you can see. Great. Our third ingredient will be our chopped up ginger. Give it a good mix. Coming to spices, so let's first add our crushed red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. So all these spices you can actually adjust according to your taste and give it a mix. Great. Look at the color of the vegetables. Wow, beautiful. So now I'm going to add salt, which is entirely based on your taste. Give it a mix. Perfect. Okay, now we are going to add our pan fried brown mushrooms and mix it along with other vegetables. Don't overcook them. Just give it a good mix. And now I'm going to add half can of coconut milk and mix it along with vegetables. Beautiful. As you can see, the color change in the coconut milk when it goes along with the vegetables. Now we are going to let it boil for like 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the bubbles are coming up. Great. Now it's time to add our cauliflower rice. So let's add our cauliflower. Just make sure don't mix too much of coconut milk in the rice, otherwise your cauliflower becomes very mushy and we don't want that. Give it a mix along with the cauliflower. There we go. So at this point you just have to close the vessel with the lid and just keep it on the very medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. There we go. That's how they will look like. So our cauliflower fried rice is ready to serve. They look amazing. So now we will garnish it with our coriander, little bit of lemon zest that we have already chopped up earlier, Lemon zest is beautiful ingredient because it enhances the flavors in the recipe. There we go. Look at this recipe. So healthy, keto friendly, gluten free. Amazing recipe. So stay tuned for more healthy and keto friendly recipes coming on our channel. And guys, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.